Good afternoon, class. This afternoon, we'll be looking at a very simple topic under CRK. Our topic is disobedience and consequences. Now, we'll talk about disobedience. Disobedience, according to theologians, is unpardonable sin. And the direct opposite of disobedience is what we call obedience. To be obedience means to be lawful. To be obedience means to be respectful. To be obedience means to adhere to the rules and regulations that guide a particular issue or institution. Why disobedience? To be disobedient simply means to go against the rules and regulations, or to be disobedient means to go in contrary to the principles and conduct of a given instruction as far as different. So our focus will be on Saul this afternoon. So we'll be using Saul to illustrate this topic called disobedience and its consequences. Now, the first thing is the call of Saul. Saul was called by God when Saul was 50 years old. And the reason for the call of Saul was as a result of the demand for king. By the Israelites. So the Israelites approached Samuel, who was their priest at that time. They approached him and told him that they needed a king. And Samuel went to God and told God that look at what your people require or demand for. And God told him to go back and instruct them. No, they should request for a king. The king will be in charge of their land. The king will claim their daughters. The king will claim everything that belongs to them. But the Israelites were obdurate. So they insist that they need a king. So, and the second point put forward by the Israelites, particularly the elders of Israel, is that Samuel is getting old. And to them, they won't allow Samuel's children to take over from him because Samuel's children's way of life failed to please God. And because of that, they will not allow Samuel's children to lead them or to inherit the post of Samuel. And even God will not allow Samuel's children to take over them. So because of this, they are seated for a physical king that they can go to, that can lead them to a war, and that can represent them like other nations at when necessary. So that was how God called Abraham. So God told Samuel to go and anoint Saul, giving Saul 3 divine points or 3 divine reasons why he has appointed that. So God told Samuel that go and tell him that he has appointed Saul to become the king. And on his way, in the course of searching for his father-in-law's cattle, on his way, he's going to meet 2 men who will, by the tomb of Rachel, who will inform him that the sheep or donkeys that they are looking for are being found. Then also, the second sign was that as he proceeds, then the Saul is going to come in contact with 2 men going to the place of worship, and they will give to him loaves of bread or loaves. The third reason is that someone will also come in contact with garrison of worshippers coming from the place of worship, and at the time of Philistine, then the spirit that is upon these worshippers will rest upon Saul, and Saul will begin to prophesy. And all this happened according to the way Samuel positioned it. Then that is how the call of Saul took place. Then the kingship and Saul disobedience. Also, when Saul became a king at the age of 50, then he reigned for 22 years as a king. So he reigned for 22 years. Now, plus, you now have 72 years. So Saul was 72 years before he met his whataap in one of the war between the Israel and the Amalekites, and where his two sons also lost their very life. So that was so God. So the first assignment that God gave to Saul as a king is to go to the land of Amalekite and destroy everything. According to the Bible, say Saul should utterly destroy every man, every woman, every cattle, every sheep, everything in the land. That is all men, all women, all cattle, all sheep should be destroyed. Every living thing in the land should be destroyed because of their role, the antagonistic role that they play against the children of Israel on their way coming from Egypt or from a slave land many years ago. So that's why we call the war that Saul went into against the Amalekites as what we call holy war or religious war, because God was strongly behind the war. So in the course, Saul went and he did according to instruction, but he failed. He spared the life of the king, and then he also spared the life of some animals, with the hope that he's going to sacrifice this to the God of Israel that gave him victory. And that's why Saul told him that it's not better to obey than to satisfy, or to make sacrifice to God. That God is interested in obedience than satisfy. So on that note, he appealed to Samuel, and along with it, God repented of appointing Saul as the first king of Israel. So in the course, the Spirit of God departed from the good Spirit of God departed from Saul, and an evil spirit descended upon him. So that happened to be the consequence of Saul's disobedience. And at the end of the day, Saul lost his life in a battle, and his two sons. So on this note, we draw up the curtain.